What is up, YouTube? Chart with Bart checking in on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So monthly time frame, very bullish. Green 2 above a green 1 above the highs of P9. So not confirming yet, although the green 2 candle on the monthly time frame looking very strong. We also broke the upper risk line around $40,000. So accelerated momentum just as we had in 2017 before at least another cycle towards a P9. So if we confirm a green 2 above a green 1, the monthly time frame is looking very bullish for at least 7 more months. So many people are waiting for a pullback, but look at 2017, it's looking like a repeat. So this is hard to get in. If you're not in a position, you're feeling FOMO because the price action is just going up, 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 and up. Although you might think it's going down, the market is looking very bullish. So monthly time frame, super bullish, and then we'll zoom in towards the 2 weekly time frame. 2 weekly time frame, we were watching for a P9 on the 2 weekly time frame. We got a P9, but the price didn't consolidate. So usually after P9, you expect a 1 to 4 bar consolidation before a move in the underlying trend, just as we had right here. So P9 consolidation, and then we made it towards another P9. This is looking very strong on the 2 weekly time frame, although 9 days to confirm. But in strong bull markets, it can happen that we don't consolidate, so we don't price flip, but we go straight into continuation with a green 1, and then the next 2 weeks we are looking for a green 2 above a green 1 to complete our 2 weekly new bullish momentum to the upside, and then this would match the monthly time frame, which is still very much bullish. So 2 weekly time frame looking bullish, trying to confirm a green 2 above a green 1 above the highs of P9. So weekly time frame as well. We were watching for the price slowdown on the 9, although it wasn't a perfected 9. We did get a renewed long entry on the weekly time frame with a green 2 above a green 1 above the highs of 1 and 9. So currently weekly is looking bullish to me with a bullish setup with a green 3 trying to confirm. So bullish momentum to the upside to at least another P9 on the weekly time frame is the most likely scenario. This was our weekly bull flag. So once the weekly bull flag broke, bulls ran it higher. So currently we are stalling a bit at the 56,000 zone, so the upper risk line. Once it breaks, we could easily see price going up towards 60 or even $65,000. So weekly, 2 weekly, monthly time frame looking very much bullish. The 3-day time frame as well on a 7 of 9. So at least one more week of upside before some potential consolidation, and then a move higher. Daily time frame as well. So P9, price didn't consolidate. We did consolidate 1 bar, and then we made a green 2 above a green 1 above the highs of 1 and 9. So daily time frame looking bullish with a break of the upper risk line at 52,000. Daily time frame bullish, weekly time frame bullish, 3-day time frame bullish for at least another week. And then the 12-hour time frame bullish as well on a 7 of 9. So in my opinion, the most likely scenario for me is that the bulls continue this week higher into the weekend, and then we might see some consolidation and then a move higher towards potentially $60 or even $65,000. Next, we have Ethereum. We'll zoom in on the monthly time frame. So monthly, same story. We had a P9, price didn't consolidate, and right now we are confirming a green 2 above a green 1 above the previous all-time high. So monthly time frame looking very bullish, and is most likely going to confirm a green 2 above a green 1. The 2 weekly time frame, a P9, so we might see a little bit stalling of momentum, but Bitcoin is looking very strong. So expect Ethereum to follow, and then this P9 to look even stronger, and then potentially open up on a green 1 and then a green 2. So this P9 to me is not looking like it will consolidate and price flip before a move in the direction of the trend. So 2 weekly time frame, in my opinion, we have a P9 sell signal, but it's not looking very strong to me. I always look at the candlestick shape, and that is still a bullish looking candle. So P9, we might see a little bit of price slowdown on the P9 into next week, but overall 2 weekly and monthly time frame looking very bullish. Weekly time frame, new long entry confirmed. We had a P9 and then we made it toward we have a green 2 above a green 1 above the highs of 1 and 9. So weekly time frame confirming a renewed bullish momentum towards the upside. With a green 3 also trying to confirm on the weekly time frame. The 3-day time frame, I'm adding on a upper risk line break above 2000 because the weekly time frame has renewed momentum. So one green, 1, 2, and 3. So weekly time frame bullish, also confirming the bullish entry. And then the 3-day time frame trying to confirm another bullish entry with a green 1, but we're stalling a little bit on the upper risk line around 2006. So if tomorrow opens up with a break of 2000, then we have a green 2 above a green 1 above the highs of 9 and 1 and a break of the upper risk line, which will accelerate momentum to the upside. So 3-day time frame I'm adding to my long position because the weekly time frame is bullish as well, and the 3-day time frame looking very much bullish. The daily time frame looking bullish to me, still on a green count with a break of the upper risk line. So previous risk line right here, stalling the price. Once we broke, we have accelerated momentum to the upside. And right now on the daily time frame, we are confirming a break of the risk line. So accelerated momentum to the upside on the daily, 3-day, and the weekly time frame. 12-hour time frame, bulls are looking very good on the 12-hour time frame as well. Break of upper risk line, and then on a 6 of 9 and the 6-hour time frame as well, confirming a, or at least trying to confirm a renewed long entry, the green 2 above a green 1, stalling a little bit at the upper risk line. So in my opinion, for Ethereum, bulls want to watch the daily time frame. So daily time frame confirming a long entry, but the 3-day time frame is the most important to me, which the risk line is just in the way. So 3-day time frame, I'm waiting for a 2000 break to add into my long position because the weekly is bullish, the 3-day will have renewed momentum, the daily is confirming bullish, and then the 12-hour time frame is bullish as well, and the 6-hour time frame trying to confirm renewed momentum towards the upside. So Ethereum 3-day time frame is on my radar. And then we'll look at the dollar index real quick. So DXY bouncing a little bit of this order block structure right here, and then we made it towards a regular P9, but this bottom is not very convincing to me with a fake out candle testing the previous resistance right here. So most likely scenario on the dollar index is continued weakness towards the downside. So price stalled a little bit, or at least bounced on a P8 and 9. We tested resistance, and then this looks like a classic bear flag, and then the DXY is most likely continuing back down. Monthly time frame looking bearish on the dollar index. 2-weekly time frame looking bearish as well. We bounced on the upper TD support line, but bulls are attempting to break bearish on the 2-weekly time frame, and then the weekly time frame we did get a bounce on a P9, but this is looking like a weekly bear flag with continued momentum towards the downside. So overall, with the dollar weakness, Bitcoin bulls and stock market bulls have nothing to be worried about. Once the monthly time frame support, so this low breaks bearish, then I expect the stock market and the the Bitcoin and crypto bulls to just rampage, in my opinion, because this overall leads to incredible weakness once a monthly and 2-weekly support break bearish. I have no idea where this will end, but overall, it's good for the stock market and crypto market. So keep your eyes on Ethereum and Bitcoin as well. Take care, guys. Bye.